So what do people need to do to truly connect with their purpose in life? One of the most tragic things in life is seeing somebody who's living their life without purpose. You see it all the time. People get up and they say, I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do that. Well, quit waiting. Don't live for the weekend. If you're living for the weekend, you're not living life. You need to get up every single morning with purpose, with passion, with a mission to do exactly what you want to be doing. Because I'm going to tell you something. Time is not a renewable resource, so don't treat it like it is. You need to get up with every moment that you have in your life. Live to the fullest. Live your life the way that you want to be living it, not on somebody else's terms, but on your terms. What do you want to be doing? How do you want to be living? How do you want to feel? How do you want to look? How do you want to get up? How do you want to work? Everything that you want to do should be about you. Is that selfish? No, it's not selfish. It's about you. You've got one shot at this life. You've got one shot to get up, to do what you want to be doing, to living it to its fullest, but you got to dial in your purpose. And you got to figure that out. What are you passionate about? What do you want to be doing? How do you want to be doing it? Figure those things out. There's nothing more important, because every time the clock ticks down is one less moment that you have right now. So get up, figure out what you want to do in life, figure out what your purpose is, figure out what makes you live, what makes you light up inside, and then do it, feel it, understand it, live it. Because there's no worse thing than going through your life not knowing, going through living for somebody else, going through living somebody else's dreams for them. Live your dreams. Live the way that you want to live your life. It's how we should be living every single day. Don't live with regret. Make sure that when you're at the end and you're looking back at your life, you have lived with purpose.